ingredients. We're back again, back with another simple one. Today we're going to be doing vegan butter. Not any butter, dairy free vegan butter, my style. Check the ingredients out. Okay, so these are the ingredients. So we have sea salt, avocado oil, coconut oil, we got walnut oil, we got lemon essential oil, and rosemary essential oil. These are optional, you don't have to put them in, but with me I like to pack these stuff in because they're good for you. These clean the liver out, so I try and get them in my foods as much as I can. So these are the stuff I use. Okay, so what I'll do now, this you're all gonna blend all this ingredient. So what I'll do, I have half a cup of water. I'm gonna add sea salt, about 1 teaspoon of sea salt to the water. Then you blend all the, so we had 1 teaspoon to the cup of water. You just mix that up. And you had your cup of coconut oil. Then the other is, all you do, you just add half a cup of walnut oil and half a cup of avocado oil. Okay, with the essential oil, all you do, you just do 2 drops. 1, 2. And with the other, same thing, just 2 drops of each, if it comes out. That's it. It's alright if you get a little bit more in there, it's all good. And then we just blend this up. Okay, this is all blended now. It looks like milk. All I do now is pour it in one of those airtight containers. I'll just pour it in there. And then all you do now, you just freeze it for about 15-20 minutes. So let me freeze it now, and then I'll come back and show you when it's finished. Okay, after freezing, this is what our butter looks like. There you go, that's it. This is proper butter. That is it. You can smell that rosemary. Oh, lovely. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I will continue to bring these lovely stuff out.